This is our chevron track submission. We are doing the chevron challenge. So for data wrangling, we just dropped missing target variables as well as we've removed any redundancies that we saw. We also did imputation using median as our mode of like imputation. In addition to that, we did one hot encoding for categorical variables. For the modeling, we use the training data and we split it into a 730 split. So 70% training, 30% testing. We also did standard scalar in order to scale the data set. With this, we also use a couple of models, those being XGBoost, KNN, neural network, random forest, and gradient boosting. With each model, we also use grid search to tune the hyperparameters. Overall, on average, our RMSE on the test set was roughly around 93, and our average p-value was around 0.012. I mean, no, 0.12, sorry. And then our most relevant features were surface Y, tilt proponent, horizontal toe X, and then average frac fluid per stage. Here we have a couple of data visualizations. This is more so for our feature selection, as this is pertains to the PCA and determining which features to kind of use for the selection and which are more important. Some further improvements that we think we can do are using other methods of data cleaning and feature selection, as this would lead to slight improvements in performance. And then in addition to that, using wider range of hyperparameters for the models to kind of help better tune the models that were used. Here is also another great data visualization that we have. The blue line represents the predictions and the red represents the actual labels. As you can see, for the most part, they are kind of overlapping. However, there are some areas where there is great deviation. Lastly, for data visualization, we have a dashboard that we created, and it does show a lot of useful information. And here's a brief description of what the dashboard vaguely covers. And this is a video of the dashboard working. As you can see, there's different stages of I believe it was the well family relation that you can see. And as you click them, it's just